welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, as you know, Dwayne is always coming with a bag of things. So, guys, go ahead and go check out Dwayne and see what he has to say in this video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my wonderful lovelies out there that are celebrating their beautiful birthdays today, I wish you joy and love, peace, happiness, and prosperity. And for all my other lovelies that are out there, I wish you a wonderful, wonderful day. And I ask that you keep a smile upon your face. And if you can have someone else smile, that's a bonus. Now, remember to live, love, laugh, walk good. It's a journey in every day.
So, if I plan at 10:05 and it's 6:15, so the guy airport too early. Hey, all joke aside, my first time flying, I was like a damn Friday too. I'm like, listen, if I got the airport early, I don't care. I swear the flight was like 7 and I was at the airport by 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock in the afternoon, my grandparents and we got the airport after 1 o'clock. I was a big Friday. Me I meet my mother. Your mother plane car left me. I go meet my mother. Me I meet mother. Oh, bro. Bring me to the airport early too. I'm still down. I go sit down. I'm the people look after me and my sister to go meet my mother. What? Hey, I'm telling you, I would never forget the day when we come meet my mother. I'll never forget it. I was so happy. My mother's the best mother ever. Yes, 3 hours. And I flight at 10 and it was 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's more than 3 hours, girl. More than 3 hours. I got 6 hours that. Yeah, that's a good thing. That's Marlon. I'm not here saying anything is wrong with it. I'm not. I'm using her as a reference for me. My first time I fly out of Jamaica. My grandma will go to the airport about good 1 o'clock and the flight was at 7 o'clock in the evening. We tell the airport 1 o'clock and I'll still gonna wait. Because listen, it's better to be early and play me. So no. So I'm using that. So okay, girl, I understand. But anyways, I'm sure when she go up on the plane. So
I'm gonna get some food to eat.
Okay, let's go forward. Hold on. What's good, girl? I'm feeling to take off the rest. Somebody, Sally. She board the plane.
Was under the seat storing only large bags in the bins. Folks, please now block the boarding process. As you can see, we are behind on time. With the boarding, take your seats quickly to the folks behind you.
Remember come selling for the place take off and we don't want to watch the whole video. If we not watch go on the page, go watch it.
Those beef patty boxes, they all go under this.
Well, ads up here, ads.
Pico.
See if you take off there. If it start to take you off. What up?
Only thing was running into my mind at this point is that.
You see, wait, on here, when I boost up the engine, I get taken out to shut up on the runway.
So I was praying that night. I was just praying. I wasn't just thinking, I was just praying. So you know, I was looking at the wing of the plane and I was like, oh, I don't know if that's how it's supposed to look. But nevertheless, I'm praying, so I know God got my back. God got my back. My God got my back. So I'm like, okay, let me relax. And, you know, I'm like, okay. However, it was slowing down. And I was a little concerned. But nevertheless, I'm still praying. I'm hoping for the best. Yeah, I'm like, what was going on? And like,
Shut up.
nobody really said
I'm going to in a year.
The sea.
See that? She not here now. Shani gone to foreign. Shani gone to foreign. PSA? Shani gone to foreign. And about the money, Donna gave her $1,500. I'm never going to say that too. Hold on. How are you there? How are you, God? See it there?
Morning.
Then find out you get the money.
Yes, you paid up the eat.
See it here? See it here? Only get it. And I see she get time when she gone in her taxi.
God, I'm working. Nana, take care of Shanae. Yeah, alright.
Alright, let's see how I got to go in her taxi go to the airport.
Alright, thanks.
So we got airport there.
Journey Mercy. Alright. So, happy car. Alright, Shanae gone, guys, to America.
So to see it, let me stop this and say, Shani, I've never hated you, right? However, I must say to you, now you're in a country where English is spoken throughout and proper grammar. Now you're there, you should take this opportunity to vibe with more Americans, right? And perhaps they will help you to have a better comprehension of the English language. This is not a job. This is not a job. No, but I job. Me job coming out. Jabbar, I am not. Hello, I am not throwing jabs. However, she's now in a country where she can make the most of the opportunity given to her, right? Shani, I wish you well. I pray that you will make your people proud. All of the people who donated to you, I pray you make them proud, and you will actually follow your law course / degree through to the end and become that lawyer that you pray and hope to be. And bear in mind, I already told you on my other videos, you can be whatever you want to be. I've told you this. I'm going to create what I said. I'm going to talk it out the more territory. She can be anything she want to be. All it takes is hard work and sheer determination. And that's it. That's all she needs. Oh, and also with God in the midst, she'll be fine. Why? Yes. Hold on. We'll soon go back to that. Shani, I wish you well. And I hope you will become that lawyer that you pray and hope to become. I don't know. I know she's going to study. Darling, I don't know, but I know saying in America now. So I just want to say, you know, more give me like a blessing. Darling, I don't care for none of the rest of them. Me I give she me like a blessing. She and she alone want to give she me like a blessing. She. Go forth and get a little thing for whatever you want to do. Go for it. And I did that. As for you, Bigfoot, back to you. You Bigfoot. You big frambosa foot. Back to you. The time you come out where you walk on class Tina Chin. Yo. Go class Ashanti. Go class Matla. Them say you're on the bridge a self front. Go chat about that. Dana now come out to go class Tina Chin. Majesty have a big mouth pan him. Him have a big mouth already. Him can't answer Tina Chin himself. And bear in mind him answer Tina Chin all the time. Or most of the time answer Tina Chin. The other one in Canada, him have a big mouth pan him too. And plus him have 2 bars, 2 long bars, and 1 long satches. He can answer them, he can answer that's themselves. But they choose not to. My question is, why are you so pained? Why are you so pained? To the point where you have come to a corner and drag the woman and drag her pit. Go look for your dead pit there. Go look for your dead pit, the Tarantine. The entire Tina Chin, none of Tina Chin them down there. Not one of them dead. Not one of them dead. Them is alive and they can go over and say, hello mommy, I love you. You understand? Go look for yours. Start this up. Anyways. When y'all cuss me tomorrow, when y'all cuss me, or when y'all cuss me tonight, or whenever tomorrow, whenever, no say anything I tell me, I'm alive. My blood clad alive. You understand? I'm alive. My mother's children are alive too. You understand? Yes, I know one day I will leave this world, but not until God ready for me, girl. When I got nowhere. Your one, them dead in my true badness. Pow pow! 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 Badness. Anything bad, it that's way. You never know. You never know. Get to know. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Guys, please like and share my live stream. Thank you. You know, sister, when I'm wicked. You know, RG, I don't know if you know about Jamaicans, right? Let me tell you how Jamaican operate. You see when Jamaicans is flying that girl, them don't tell us soul. All the people like I will live a fire now, well, some of we chat, like the young people them. All my granny, me have a granny at Jamaica, we got Jamaica all the time. When she fly out, she don't tell us so, she just fly out and gone. She don't tell nobody. And me feel like say at that the mentality that girl have to. But when she fly out, she not tell nobody. All like a few people in her circle would have know. And that's how I feel. At that. Hey, Jamaica people, them very super, them stay so superstitious, you know. Bad, them superstitious, bad. When I know Jamaican. Someone born in France, so I'm not gonna know. I'm not gonna know. But Yolanda Canada, she said, I don't tell nobody. See there? I saw Jamaica say they don't tell a soul. And then with them when they get the foreign, I saw you with them come and say, you mean you me that foreign now. What you say? You there man? Foreign? How they got foreign? I last month me that foreign, if I last month with a foreign. Oh, me I call them to tell us me that foreign now. 1 month later me I call them, I saw them tan, I saw Jamaican people tan. Yeah, true. See that Tasha, me not tell nobody even. Hey, you know, I feel like we are too superstitious. When me a fly, I don't give one last. Hello, me a fly out. Me a fly out 2 weeks. Me a fly out 2 weeks. I don't care. I have the good Lord on my side. Oh God, I feel like us Jamaicans, we are a damn mess. A lot of us are crazy. I swear to God. I don't know what is the fascination with not telling people to see I fly away. I don't get it. But then again, it is something that's been in existence for a lot of years. So why not follow the trend? As enough people stay moving silent. Hey, you see, this is the first time I was coming to London to meet my mom, right? My granny said, "Don't tell nobody. They will over you. I'm gonna tell them about the airport." Hey, my granny, may I so rest in peace, but I'm telling my granny said, "Not tell nobody. Not tell nobody your school neither. Kind of judge upon you. I'm people tell them about the airport. I still go wrong. I know you are for the year." Hey, you know, I was young. I never told nobody. Me I want to say, yo, Wagwan, yo, you good, yeah. And me I got airport. I don't know why I don't say I got airport. Hey, I don't know what's talking about Jamaican people. I swear to God, we are crazy. I swear, we're funny. We're bad people. We are bad people. Is he looking at now? I don't know why, but I don't business that me a fly out. Me a tell us me a fly out in a 2 week, 3 week, 1 month, 2 months. Me a fly out. It's easy except till you don't. I don't care. But the judge upon me, cause darling, you see when me a travel, I not carry nothing. But you see my granny will never carry that. My granny says not bring nothing. If anybody got a friend, if anybody says not bring nothing at all, then go away. They will set you up. I say, true, you know. See me? So where you are? Alright. You want $2 patty? When I got the apron buy a $2 patty, I am buying it before me. We take more money and buy the things that can go no. I just eat that. I don't want nobody to give me nothing to get nobody a friend. You're crazy. And then when I go to the airport now, I don't go all and pull me where I go. Hey, people wicked enough. They will put things on a suitcase now. I'm not gonna say like people don't have trust. They'll put things on a suitcase. I'm not gonna go here put on and pulling up. All the time go. I want them to go work us. I go work us. Me master, give me the money. I'm gonna buy it. I'll buy it and I'll pack it in my suitcase myself. You're not gonna buy nothing and give me put it in my suitcase. No, I am not. And if it's not my family, I'm not take nothing for you. I'm sorry, I'm not doing it because I know I'm going to work us. I'm not silence. Oh, Lord. But I'm mad. Anyways, Shanae, make the most of trip America, girl. Make the most of it. And live good and happy and have a jolly good old time. And learn to know you're there. You can learn to understand the English language even better. Not just that, even construct and formally proper sentence yourself. Understand? Like this song. Anyways, girls, I love all of you. This is my final life for tonight. Big, but when I come to my come good here, class very well too. Tell me things I don't know. You hear? Things I don't know. Alright, girl? That being said, I love all of you. Be blessed. God bless you. Tina Chin. If you want to come class, but I wouldn't tell you to. It's up to you if you want to go class, but making time right way in actually come classing, rub and scrub and wash and dry. Go skin out my big stinky yellow teeth them. Same so. Anyways, I love you guys. I love you, boy. I love all of you. Good night. Take care, my love bugs. Hey, me no want to go now. Where do you want me go? Where do you want me go? Me I go. Look at when I'm lucky. When I give me a start, I'm gone. I am gone. I love you here. I love all of you. Whether you come into the you didn't, I love you. And thank you for staying with me. Thank you for everyone who shared. Thank you for everyone who liked. Thanks to everyone who made a comment too. I appreciate you. God bless you. Good night. No, girl. I want to talk to my people. Them miss me. Them text me when they're alive. I'm not one and